What's up fellas, this is Mechanic Mode, another video for my YouTube channel, and today guys I am going to show you how to flush or replace the transmission fluid on a 2008 BMW 328i, which is, I don't know if you see, it's convertible, the top is down. It's a rear-wheel drive car. Has 87,000 miles, and this car particular has a GM transmission. It's not a ZF, guys. So if you have a car with ZF transmission, you're gonna have a completely different transmission flush. So this one doesn't apply for your car. I'm saying it right away. Even though it looks the same car, some of these have a ZF transmission, some of them have a GM transmission. And this car particular will take about 6-7 quarts of Dextron 6, Dex 6, which is, I got it from BMW original part. Even though people say, hey, you know, you can get it from GM, which is a regular Dextron 6 too. But if you see here, this is the original one from GM. It's a AC Delco, and this is BMW. It's same Dex 6, but some people, they said the fluid itself is a little bit different, so it's not the same. Right, so here is the cover that you have to take off. I did unscrew already the screws. I have 2 more here and 1 here. The cover comes out. We need space to work on the transmission. Here is the part number, and you see guys, says GM. I can zoom it for you, can see right there. Yep. So it says right here, use only BMW oil. So yeah, I don't want to risk it with AC Delco fluid, so I'm gonna put the original one. And I believe the gasket, it's really good. The car doesn't have that much miles for a BMW. I'm not going to remove the wheel pan today, maybe later on, but I believe you guys can figure it out. It's not a big thing. So as you see, you take this off in case you want to take the wheel pan out. You got the gasket to be replaced, but it's 10mm all over the wheel pan. Take that off, and yeah, of course you have to unplug this and the drain plug and drain the transmission first, and then this is gonna come easily out. But I am going to flush only the transmission today, no wheel pan out. So yeah, this is the plug, the drain plug right here. You unscrew this, and you want to make sure you take the fluid out nice and clean. Okay, so to take the drain plug out, I am going to the hex 5. You see it says CRV5. Looks like that. Fits perfect. Yeah, and a wrench, and unscrew this thing. That's it, just like that. And the wheel comes out. All right, in my case, I just put an empty tank here to see how much fluid I am draining. Just pretty curious. I want to see if there's a right amount of fluid. So here we go, and then I can see how much I'm draining. All right guys, so almost drained everything. So right here, where is the drain plug, there is the refilling plug. Is this one? Say 17mm. Boom. Here we go. So basically, for me to refill the transmission, I gotta put the drain plug back and pump the new fluid through this hole. Guys, so I pumped enough oil in there. What you do is you start the car, and you want to make sure you put the right amount of fluid in your transmission So when this tank is draining like that, you leave it, start dripping. Then when you want to plug the refilling plug in there, that's where you want to put the plug back. Yep. Okay. Start dripping. Close it.